Hi David, so let us start here. So you can do in edit profile, you can put your profile picture, background picture, your name is there, and you can fill out this one here. But now how to upload your CAD file. You go to upload, click on upload, and then
Okay.
you drag and drop your 3D file here. As example, let me see, we have Uh, let me
That
see.
would be a 3DM file.
Yes,
You can upload your
yes.
model.
This is
Okay.
a 3DM file, and then you say upload,
Okay.
and then now it's processing the file to GLB. So you can have FBX, OBJ, 3DM file, all is good, and it will convert it to a GLB. So it will actually make a file size reduction without quality loss. Now upload success, and now here you actually can see that it will just display the jewelry here. So what I normally suggest, just say no here. You can go to the scene presets, and you can, as example, choose one scene presets like that. It comes also with a configurator, but you do not actually need so much here. This is more confusing, so you just click on it, right click, and then delete, right click, delete, right click, delete, right click, delete. Now we have here the metals. Okay, it's not kind of right click delete. So when you click on the geometry, you can see here add configurator. Then you say white, rose, yellow, gold. You have other materials that you can see here that you can add as a configurator. We have brushed, we have hammered, whatever you have. And then you actually can see that it just grabbed now the configurator. Then the next step is maybe the light settings. You do not like maybe this light setting here. So what I normally recommend is this light setting here, because with this one, almost all jewelry looks fantastic with this setting here. So then when you have that, let us do the gems, then add configurator here. I normally suggest let us have a diamond, let us have a emerald, a ruby, and a sapphire. It's kind of the four most demanded gemstone.
Oh
So,
yeah.
and then you go here, and now you actually can see here is one. Why? Because if we go here, it's just one. But let us say gold. Huh? You can rename it gold, and then here you see here is gold.
Oh yeah.
Yes, and here is the gem. So actually now we are have done, and then you can update the poster. So whenever somebody is looking at your profile, this is the poster. And then how to embed. I recommend in the branding settings, put your logo here. So you can have a logo from 180 to 48 pixel, or 720 to 192 pixel. And then you just can add any kind of logo, or your logo you can add here. That's the brandings. And then you want to say show your logo, it will show your logo. And loading screen logo, I will also recommend, because this looks always good when they see your brand. Okay,
Right.
once you have this, let us go here to the embed settings. And so the embed settings, you have three categories up here. So appearance setting, it should be responsive, because when somebody opens it on a desktop, it should look very good, or in a cell phone, it also should look very good. So this is responsive. Then do you want the title? Because the title or the description will come up here, so you actually don't need this. High resolution cover, I normally think why. The only thing is, when somebody has a slow internet connection, it first shows the image, kind of a high resolution cover, and then it first shows this image before it loads the 3D. You can have that, but normally people just see the image, but they don't know that it's 3D. So it's not really needed, but it's good to know.
Okay.
So here then remove backlink, you don't need that. Remove loading screen background image. Yes, we remove that. So, and the next one here is content setting. So show interaction prompt. This is actually the hand that goes left and right when nobody does nothing. So it sees, oh, this is 3D. You want to have a start with a turntable animation. So when it starts, it will start with a turntable animation, but I think not really necessary. Autoplay is good when you say, okay, I want not to click first after the image. I just want that it automatically right away will open the 3D file. So that's the reason why we need autoplay. Transparent background, we don't need that really. In this case, display content. So do you want to show the configurator? Yes. Do you want to allow the client to zoom in or out? You can do, or you say no, but I think sometimes it's better to have this zoom in and out. Do you want that the people can share it? They can share it. Show model info. This is the description for the model, but we don't need this. Do you want to change the quality? For bigger screens, they can have a high quality visualization. As example, when they're on a desktop, you can make it up to 4K quality. Do you want to reset the view? Not really necessary. Rotate camera. This is the turntable animation. Play camera views when you have different camera views, but this is not really necessary. Play animations. We have no animations here. Fit object scene. I think this is always good to have. Full screen is always good. So let us keep this views. Then you can preview it. So this is what this will be your logo, but you didn't put any logo here. So what we forgot is we forgot to save it. Let me see here. Just do this. You have to save it first. Sorry, this is very important.
No.
So, and then you can see the preview, and it will open it the way we saved it, like this. You see?
Oh,
and
yeah.
This will be your logo up here, and here you have the things, the gold colors, and also the gem configurator. It's here. And here you can actually see that we have the rotate camera, the turntable. Even you zoom in, you can have a turntable animation on a big screen, on your shop, or on the tablet, even during the night. They just can show this. So we have here also when somebody is going around and somehow, and then, oh, what happened here, and how do I bring the thing in the middle here? Fit object scene, boom. And here it is, huh?
Very good.
Yes. And here it's full screen, so it will be absolutely full screen to show your thing, and there will be nothing here. Just make a turntable and you can show your designs, including the configurator here. Yes. And look how beautiful, look how beautiful.
It looks good.
Yes,
looks
absolutely,
good.
Huh? And once you have that, you just copy the HTML code, and then let us go back here and just say, when you have your website, this is just a sample.
Mm-hmm.
This is just a sample.
Right.
Then you put this iframe just in your website. You copy and paste the link that you copied, and here you can decide how much do you want to have the 3D window. As example, if you have not a lot of space, you can reduce it to, as example, 500 to 500, like that, 500. But I normally recommend to have it like, as example, because full screen you always can show, but sometimes this is quicker to load. It loads faster. Or
Okay.
512 is actually ideal. This is what I normally recommend because this number 512, it's easier for the graphic card and for the internet to display your assets. It's 512 to 512. And then when you load it on your website and you play run, it will be your logo here, and it will just load this.
Very good. Very good.
That's it. That's it. It's actually very simple. It's actually very simple.
I got it. I got it.
Or when
I
you
will.
yes, or the other way around is when you let us go back here to iJewel design project set. Okay, iJewel design, or you can go back here to your profile here, profile. You actually can see that we have here the two rings loaded. If you want to have a thumbnail and you just want to have a link, then you go here, copy to clipboard, and then you just can here copy the link. And when you have a client, as example, and then I will just say, okay, David design, and then you have the link for the client. You just copy the link here and send it. So it will be have the title ring by David Hasselden, David design ring, and then when the client will click on it, when he will click on it, it will open this window, and the client actually can see. Let us close this one here. Then the client will see this on his cell phone or in the website, or when you will link it, you can do this here. You can show this as a link. But normally for the embedding, it's better because the link will have iJewel design, explore tutorials, and you don't really want that. That's the reason why an iframe will be much better in this case.
Okay.
That's
All
it.
right.
That's it.
That is very good. Can you send me that video?
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. I'll just finish the video here